friends, here's a rocket puzzle that you can cut out with an adult help. You're going to keep the numbers attached. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can do it forwards or you can count backwards. You can do 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off. And when the puzzles are ready, the ship can go for a blast off. And here, if you are ready to do this, the numbers are missing. We have 1. What number is missing? 3. What number is missing? And so on, all the way down to number 20. Here is, put a check mark by the different pictures. So you're going to cut out the check marks. It says, please check mark under the second astronaut. So this would be the first, second, third, fourth. So it's a different way of understanding numbers. Instead of saying 1, 2, 3, 4, first, second, third, fourth. This one says put a check mark under the first astronaut. So that would be this one. Put a check mark under the fourth astronaut. So first, second, third, fourth. On this one, this talks about Mars and stars. If you are ready for this, write your name, and then you can trace the word down here. You can go over this word if you like, and then write the word underneath. Then you can draw a line from the pictures on this side to the pictures on this side that rhyme. For example, hat goes to what word? Cat. So that would be the rhyming word. On here, an I spy. I love doing I spies. So you're going to spy 7 telescopes. So you're going to look for that. Here would be one, here would be one, and look for the rest. On here, you're going to color different shapes. So it says red circles. So you're going to color all the circles red. Green triangles, all green. Have lots of fun with this. Bye, friends.